In this video, I'm going to discuss about function. After this video, you will be going to understand what is a function, when do we create a function, how to call a function. So let's start. So functions are of two types. One is library function and another is user defined function. Library function means we have the functions which are already created, like print function, like input function, etc. And user defined function means the function we create for our own purpose. We already know about library function, so I will give you a brief explanation about user defined function. So what is the user defined function? Suppose I am taking a equals to 10, b equals to 20. You all know how to create this program. Now I am doing sum equals to a plus b. Sum equals to a plus b. Print what? Print sum. Okay. You all know what will be the output. Say output is 30. Okay. Again you want to create sum. Again you want to create sum. A equals to 30. B equals to 30. Sum equals to a plus b. Print sum. Okay. See, like this, if you need to create again 3-4 numbers and sums, so you are doing the same, writing the same code again and again. So for this we will create a function. By creating a function, you don't have to write so much codes. For this we should create a function. Okay. Function means to reuse code. Function means to reuse code. Now suppose if I write a function like this, we should write a function like this. Def add. I'm adding, so I'm taking add. Now I will take a and b. A and b are parameters. Remember this. A and b are parameters. Now what I will do, I will sum. Sum equals to a plus b. Sum equals to a plus b. Then print sum. Print sum. See, here we got no output. Why? Because in function you have to call, but here we haven't called yet, so there is no output. Now I will show you how to call a function. Now see, add is my function name. I written def add, so I am taking add, and suppose I am taking 10 is the number one value, for a 10 and for b 20. Suppose I take another value, add 30, 30. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake. See, the output is there. See, def. So I have to write the add here, not there. Okay. Def I have started from where I have started the def function. Def I have started def add. There only I have to write the addition one. Okay. I've understood. You can create more functions. Okay, you can create more functions. That's not a problem. You can do multiplication, you can do addition, you can do subtraction, and anything you want. So let me do a subtraction. Def sub a, suppose I take x comma y, sum equals to a minus b, print, I write here result, sorry, I have to write here result, not sum. This is not a sum. Result, print result, print result. Okay, print result. Now what I have to do, sub I have written here x minus y. Here will be x minus y sub 20 comma 10. Suppose I am giving 20 comma 10 the value, and here I am giving sub 30 comma 20. Okay, see the output 10 comma 10, because 10 and 10, because you all know what's the subtraction. You all know you can do multiplication, you can do division, you can do anything. Now I will show you that you can print it without giving any parameters. Now suppose if I write here def message. Suppose you want to print a message in a function. Print no parameter. Suppose you want to write no parameter. No parameter. Okay. No parameter. Now simple. Message to call. Okay. Now let's see what's the output. See, the output is no parameter. Okay. So without parameter you can also print an output, print what you want to print. Okay. So by this I think you have understood what is a function, when to create a function, how to call a function. By this we end this video. If you have any queries, just comment. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.